Hi, today we are going to be talking about how to customize your notes templates in SimplePractice. So for example, I want you to imagine being able to actually just click checkboxes to fill in a frequently used item in your notes. So in this video, we'll discuss how to find this area in SimplePractice and how to customize them for your practice's needs. My name is Kelley Stevens, and I teach therapists how to build private practices. If you want to know more about me, there's a link to my website below. First, it helps to have experience adding a progress note if you haven't already. Let's use the Jamie Appleseed test client. Then click the note icon to add a note. This brings you to the progress note page. In this dropdown, you'll find the note templates that are currently active in your account. Click one to select it. This gives you additional text boxes to fill out. This can be customized with many different formats of prompts or selection boxes. Next, you can build a note template. Go to the settings and then Notes and Forms. And scrolling down, you'll see the section for progress notes. Click the name of the note and open it in the template builder. For more information on how to use the template builder, at the top, check out the video and guide in the Help Center. I find it helpful to use a notepad or a blank text document and outline the format of my note. When you're done editing, make sure the checkbox next to the title is checked, so you'll see it again in the drop-down list. Then, to test your work, go back to your test client and add a note using your template, and you can refine as you go. Just as a quick aside, this Load Last Note button can load the content from the previous note so that you can change what you need. And in another video, we'll talk about how you can do notes in your mobile phone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.